Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. TGIF, it's Friday afternoon and everyone's getting off of work and everyone I hope has a wonderful weekend. But before we get into the weekend, I want to tell you some information on the Boxy pop-up shop. Yes, a lot of information was released this afternoon. I'm sure some of you have seen it already, but I wanted to get it to you guys so you know what's going on. Before we get into that, let's say what BOXYCHARM is. It's a beauty subscription box that'll cost you $21 a month. You'll get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products based on your beauty quiz. And all of these products together will total at least $100. Once you're a charmer, you can then subscribe to Boxy Luxe and also any limited edition boxes they may offer. And now, if you are a charmer, you'll have access to the Boxy pop-up shop. Yes, you have to be a charmer to have access to the Boxy pop-up shop. If anyone is listening and is not a BOXYCHARM subscriber and would like to subscribe to BOXYCHARM, my link is below, and I want to let you know they still have these Becca anti-fatigue under eye primers available for anyone who joins. This is a very good product. I use it myself. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles under the eye. It helps blur them out. And also, if you have puffiness under your eyes when you wake up, it will help that puffiness. So this is what you'll get. And I have, like I said, I have the link below if you're interested in joining. So let's take a look at a clip that I have for y'all about the Boxy pop-up shop.
Charmers, you need to go to our Boxy pop-up page if you want to know what the first sneak peek is. It's amazing.
So your first Boxy pop-up sneak peek for July is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Porefessional Face Primer. The standard size sells for $32 and it's 0.75 of an ounce. This is a primer that quickly minimizes the appearance of pores and face lines for a smoother than smooth skin. In the Boxy pop-up shop, we'll get up to 70% off, so I'm not sure how much this product will be discounted to, but the regular price, as I said, is $32.
So we want to introduce you guys what Boxy Pop-Up is. So Boxy Pop-Up is BOXYCHARM's latest charmer exclusive benefit for charmers only. So you can shop specially curated items ranging from makeup, skincare, lifestyle, and so much more, up to 70% off. Like, that's crazy. If you want to see what the first sneak peek is, check out our next stories.
Our very first Boxy pop-up sneak peek is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Porefessional Smoothing Face Primer. So let's talk some fun facts because we're super excited that this is going to be in our Boxy pop-up. This primer is amazing because you can wear it underneath your makeup to help it stay put, or you can wear it alone and rock that natural look. Either way, you're still going to get that poreless, smooth, silky finish.
Okay, and also today BOXYCHARM answered some questions about the Boxy pop-up shop. Here are the few questions that were asked and answered.
Like we said before, access to Boxy Pop-Up is exclusively for our active charmers. So as long as you have an active subscription, you will have access to Boxy Pop-Up. So purchases from Boxy Pop-Up will be shipping separately from your monthly box, and you'll receive tracking information as soon as that order ships. Shipping is $5 and orders $25 and up ship free. Definitely leave reviews because we love your feedback. However, you will not be earning charms for it. But once the store is closed, we'll be sending out a survey, and if you complete it, you will earn charms for that. So the Charm Room and Boxy Pop-Up are two totally different membership benefits. The Charm Room is where members are able to go and redeem their charms for full price items, and Boxy Pop-Up is where charmers are able to shop a selection of items at charmer exclusive pricing.
So first of all, this pop-up, Boxy Pop-Up, is exclusive to charmers. You have to have an active account to be able to purchase things in the Boxy Pop-Up. You will receive anything you purchase from the Boxy Pop-Up separately from your box that month. You will get either your BOXYCHARM box and get a shipping notification on that. And if you buy your 2 items in the Boxy Pop-Up, you will get a shipping notification for it separately. There will be a shipping fee for anything under $25 purchased at the Boxy Pop-Up. The shipping will cost $5. So if you purchase $25 or more, your shipping is free. You can leave feedback on the products you purchase in the Boxy Pop-Up, but you will not receive charms for the review. At the end of the month, you will receive a survey on the Boxy Pop-Up, and you can fill that out and receive charms. The Charm Room and the Boxy Pop-Up are two totally different things. The Charm Room is where we redeem our charms for full priced items. The Boxy Pop-Up is where we can shop a selection of items that are discounted heavily for charmer exclusive pricing. Before I end this video, I just want to express my feelings on Tartgate, or as I should say, Stickergate. Today a lot of videos came out about the Tarte palette in our June box, the Be You Naturally palette, because people started noticing that they had a sticker on top of the palette and in the inside of the palette in the center, covering up the Rainforest of the Sea logo and shadow names. They always have a sticker on the bottom part, so I don't know if they covered it up or just put a new sticker. But anyways, let's talk about that. Many companies, as you notice, come out with like a campaign, like Tarte with their Rainforest of the Sea campaign. They had all these little round eyeshadow palettes that all look the same in the packaging. They all have 8 shadows divided into like a pie shape, and the containers are all similar. All they do is take the top and do some graphics on it some way, and in the center they etch Rainforest of the Sea. It's all done with a machine, but they start off with the exact same gold palettes. So when they start this campaign, they know exactly how many they're going to make. They buy as many as they're going to need, because the more containers you buy, the cheaper it will be. Now, some of these palettes probably sew a lot better than some. That's always. For example, the Sizzle one, the pink one with the sparkly glitter, was in their bestseller list. So it probably sold a lot more than some of the others. So I'm sure, other companies do it. Look at Anastasia Beverly Hills. All her palettes are basically the same. They start off with the same container and just change it. They either put a little velour on the outside, stamp the name, or in the Riviera palette, they put a canvas cloth on it, but it started off as the same palette. So she probably bought a lot of these basic palettes to start off with, because she knew she was going to continue to use that style. And I could go on and on and on with different people, like Too Faced, all the chocolate palettes, the peach, sweet peach palette, all those palettes look the same. But anyways, I think when Joe or whoever went to Tarte and wanted to make a deal with some palettes, they had all these palettes in stock that they hadn't used. So in order to keep the cost down and be able to sell to Joe at a price where he would still make profit, I mean, this is a $36 palette that they have modified with stickers. It has the same Amazonian clay formula in the palette. The shades are the same formula. So they worked out some kind of deal where he put this in our box. I am grateful. I am grateful I got one of these. If you look at, they took the sticker off. I didn't want to damage mine because I'm giving it to someone who wanted it. I'm not a big fan of these Tarte palettes. I'm going to say it now. They're all kind of the same natural brown colors, which I do like sometimes. But a friend asked me for it, so I'm giving it to her. But anyways, someone said, oh, it's the same shades as the other palette. Well, it's not the same shade as the palette that's originally in that container. If you go online, look at the one with the tree. It's not the same shades. Maybe there's one that's similar, but hey, I have several palettes I can just pull randomly and find a rosy colored shimmer in it. I mean, that's a popular color. But then again, all Tarte's palettes kind of look the same. They're all neutral colors. They're all browns. They're all beige with a touch of pink in them. So what is the problem? I don't even know what the problem is. Why is everyone making such a big deal about these stickers? Now, I had someone misunderstand. A subscriber contacted me about it, and she actually thought from being misled from these people doing these videos to think that this was a recycled palette, that this palette was from someone throwing it away and Tarte picking up all these recycled palettes, cleaning them somehow, and reusing them. Well, that's a little ridiculous. Common sense should tell you that that's not possible. It's not a recycled palette. So, but somebody led her to think that. It wasn't her fault at all. It's these people trying to make drama videos, either by trying to put Boxy down to sell another subscription box, or just trying to have a drama video to make views on. So that's fine. It really doesn't matter to me. I just wanted my subscribers to hear how I felt about it. A lot of subscribers get this high-end makeup because they can't afford to buy high-end makeup. They spend $21 and have a great collection of makeup. Each month they get more and more high-end brands because BOXYCHARM is able to put it in these subscription boxes because they have such a large following. And no, it's not because I'm a BOXYCHARM affiliate now. I only make a set rate per subscription I sell. Everybody is already subscribed to BOXYCHARM, so I'm not making any money there. Well, you might say it's the $21 free box I get. Well, I am thankful that Boxy gives me that, but I still pay for 2 extra boxes, and I do give 1 box away, so it's not really that either. The biggest thing about me being on that affiliate list is getting that box early and being able to put the review up for you guys early. That is the biggest benefit. But I just wanted to explain to you that these are good palettes. Don't let somebody sway you by trying to discourage you and make you think that you have a palette that was taped up and put stickers on, and it's still the Amazonian clay palette. What do we expect for $21? Think of the products you got in this box. And these palettes sell for $36. You may be able to find them cheaper when Tarte has a sale or if someone's selling them. But so the proof is in the pudding, guys. Use your own mind. Don't listen to my channel and do what I say or do what I do. Think about what I say. Think about what everybody tells you and make your own decisions about things. If you don't understand something going on, ask someone, because you don't want somebody to sway you into doing something that's not going to benefit yourself. Always think about what somebody tells you and make your own mind up. The winner of the mini giveaway is the BOXYCHARM April 2019 box is Miss Jeannie Owens. Jeannie, email me at kendyjane18@gmail.com and give me your address and telephone number, and I will have it shipped to you. Congratulations to Jeannie. Yay! Please remember to share and subscribe. I would totally appreciate it. Please have a great weekend. Do something fun. Do something with your children or your significant other or a friend. Just have a good time this weekend. Life's too short. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, take care and love you all. Bye. Mwah.